Welcome to Online Learning Box, and today in this tutorial this is a very short video tutorial, and here we are going to learn how to set this kind of catalog. So when and why you need to add catalog, because this kind of catalog is categorize your set of artistic work, your if you are icon designer, if you are design for the web elements. See here, this is some religious work, this is some religious work you can categorize. This is for religious work, and this is the animal work. This animal world related to animal world, you can set it as a animal world or cat world. So see, this is the category like the famous people in the world. If you want to set like this, I want to set this the creative god images. Now apply it here. You can see this the total earning and the downloads, the items and everything. You can set your category for the more sale, optimizing your traffic, because the different customer have different set of mind, and they want to download the different kind of thing. So your shop will versatile for the any kind of work or any kind of download, any kind of customer. So see, without any further delay, we are going to learn how to set your category according to your customer choice. See here, I'm clicking here. First of all, you need to log in to your Shutterstock contributor account. If you are not Shutterstock contributor, I will give you a link where you can go through and sign up to a contributor. If you are photographer, if you are illustrator, if you are a video maker, so you can make a short type of video, that's 30-second or 6-second videos, no sound. So I will give you a link descriptions below, and you can hit this link and sign up to this account, and I will definitely help you if you have any problem. So if you so first step, you need to log in to your Shutterstock contributor account. So thereafter, you can see this is a set page. If you are not viewing this kind of things, you can see this select. So I have selecting this for the demonstration purpose. So here you can click the view catalog manager. So click here. After clicking this, you can see this is the all of my work, all of the stuff. So what I need to do, if you want to select a category or create a category. So now I'm creating a category that's related to biology, related to life science. So it's going to helpful for the any student, for the teacher who are making TLM, the teacher learning material for demonstrating the here you can see this chromoplast. So here you can see this kidney. If he or she want to download from this catalog, easily get into my page and download. So this is for the convenient for your customer. So the here you can see this is images which I have made. So I'm select this images, this chromoplast, this is a kidney image, and this is the Mendeleev theory. So this one, and this is the liver diagram, and anything else. So for the demonstration purpose, and now what you need to do, this create a set. Now I have paste it over here, the life science and biology, vector images. Now it here create, voila, this is creating the 5 images. This is the lots of images here. Now here you can see this icon type of thing. You can if you are fond of making icons, icons also is a heavy selling thing, so you can make icon, vector illustrations of icon. So see, I have selecting the 4 images which is related to icons, the various types of icon which you can make. You can put your UI or UX designer design. So see here, this kind of icon is related to the finance. See this some wallet. See here, you can see there's a bank icon. You can make this kind of icon. In my other video tutorial, upcoming video tutorial, I will definitely teach you how to make the most selling icons. So stay tuned. So my upcoming video. So here I am going to make a create a set, that's icon, related the finance icon. So finance icon. So hit OK. Then this icon is created here. The six set of images, set of the vector illustrations is now created here. And so now go here, go to the Shutterstock contributor page. Now here you can see add set. Now here you can go the life science and biology vector images and apply. See this is for the this month. Anyone can download those 5 images is downloaded from this catalog. So this video tutorial for the how you can make more sale for making your shop convenient for your customer who download and who fond of your artwork and want to download the more. This is the time saving work for your customer, and it's another thing. It's really make beautiful to your profile, beautifying your profile. So thank you very much. If you think this video tutorial is very interesting, and if you learn something from here, so give me a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.